90% of people will scroll past this video and stay broke. But if you're still here, you're in the 10% who might actually change their life. Here are the top 5 AI side hustles in 2025, ranked from easiest to most profitable. Number 5, AI presentations. Using a tool like Gamma app, you can instantly create clean, modern presentations from just a few sentences. It's quick and easy, but the pay is small, around $20 to $50 per project. Perfect if you want to start fast. Number 4, AI voiceovers. With ElevenLabs or Play.hc, you can generate realistic voices in seconds. Creators on TikTok, YouTube, and podcasts need narration every day. Each short ad or intro can pay $30 to $100, and you don't even need to use your own voice. Number 3, AI copywriting. Use ChatGPT or Writesonic to write blog posts, ad copy, or social media captions. Freelancers are charging $50 to $200 per gig on Fiverr. And with AI, you can deliver the same work in a fraction of the time. Number 2, AI design. Tools like Leonardo AI and Kittl let you create logos, merch graphics, and digital templates in minutes. Sell them on Fiverr, Etsy, or Gumroad. Some designers earn hundreds of dollars a week just flipping AI-made designs. And number 1, faceless YouTube automation. Here's where the real money is. Use ChatGPT for scripts, ElevenLabs for voice, and stock footage from Pexels. Upload 1 to 2 shorts every day, and once you build traction, ad revenue and affiliate income can easily cross $1,000 a month and scale far beyond. So here's the full list. 5, AI presentations 4, AI voiceovers 3, AI copywriting 2, AI design 1, faceless YouTube. The higher you go, the more profitable it gets. Now it's your choice. Try one of these today or keep watching others do it. Subscribe because in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to start with the number 1 side hustle and build your first $100 a day.